Hey, have you ever wondered how to write cleaner code? Well, a lot of people do. If you don't, this is for you. In our case, we have two functions, main and add. Our add function is returning a statement, and inside within main, we are declaring two variables, x and y, and we are calling the function add and passing those two variables, and after that, we are going to output it. But all this could be done just in two lines. Yes, you heard me right, just in two lines. For this one, we are going to introduce arrow function. So what is arrow function? The basic arrow function looks like this. If you pass parameters, you can just simply return like this using the return keyword, or you could be more concise, just like this, without mentioning the return keyword. So in our case, we have this function, and after that, we have this arrow sign, which stands for arrow function, and then we are returning the statement. And we can call this function from anywhere we want. So in this case, we are calling it and passing the arguments, and we are calling it inside within print because we want to print it. So that's how it works, and your code becomes much cleaner and easy to read. So main function becomes one statement, one line, and add function becomes one statement or one line. Yeah, as clean as that one.